Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So the Ethereum chart continues to be in a range, to be fair here. Yes, we have a nice reaction just above our support area, another one. I mean, the price already reacted. Let me move that across again. Already reacted to our support area here on the 4th of July. So it's entirely possible we are already in a direct breakout to the upside, as explained yesterday. However, I would need to see some more upside momentum because all we've done so far is to rally here against this yellow trend line, which is definitely something to watch, this trend line. But we are far away from really a confirmed breakout in wave 3. Oh, not that far. I mean, if we now push above this trend line and take out this swing high labeled wave 1 in yellow, which formed at around $2,640, well, that would be our signal that the third wave to the upside is unfolding. So we basically have 5 waves up in wave 1, 3 waves down in wave 2. The price reacted to the golden ratio level. Now the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and this is normally the level from where we would like to see a third wave to the upside start, right? So again, the third wave would be a 5-wave move itself. Wave 1, a bit ugly, but possible. Wave 2, 3-wave pullback so far. That's all possible and valid. Third wave over third wave, fourth and fifth. This is one of the scenarios I presented you in the previous videos and currently still being followed. At least the price is keeping it alive, especially due to the higher low that formed now here. And yeah, we could obviously still expect higher prices on this chart based on this structure. In a basically, a direct move to the upside, right? This is entirely possible. And what we would need to see next, as I explained, would be a break above this descending trend line there. That is really, really helpful if that happens because it would, confirm further strength here. Now we have this descending trend line. I mean, it is possible that some kind of a triangle is unfolding here, to be fair, yeah? So if we now get rejected, form a higher low or something, it might even be that the blue count triangle is unfolding. What's the blue count? Well, in the blue scenario, here on the lower time frame, I just want to convey that it's possible that this here is just some kind of a complex corrective pattern that is currently unfolding. Apologies. And the... basically, wave 2, that in the yellow scenario potentially already bottomed, is still unfolding. Now, it's difficult to really tell the difference because the price has not yet given me a very clear impulsive move up from the 4th of July low. So while I can call it 5 waves, here this move up from the 4th of July low to the top of the 6th of July, here where the price topped around $2,600, to be fair, it is a pretty ugly move up, and I can also call it some kind of a corrective wave, because if anything, or at best, it would be a diagonal pattern, and a diagonal pattern it doesn't give us the clear answer because they can also be WXY structures sometimes. So, yeah, all I want to highlight here is both counts, both bullish counts, are currently being kept alive. Yesterday's swing low has the potential to be a low in a wave 2. But we now need to see further follow-through throughout the New York session, further follow-through, a break above these recent highs, and then obviously targeting a third wave in yellow. So what would be a target there for the third wave? So if we take the length of the wave 1, that's the top at $2,640 pretty much, or a little lower than that, then the low of the wave 2, and then this gives us key levels, especially in a third wave. We want the third wave to get to the 138% extension. So we talk here round about, about 2,865, which is also where this previous resistance is. So we'll see if the price can get there directly. If we get a lower wave 2 or a more complex wave 2, absolutely possible, then 2,430 is the key support level to watch, because below that level, the idea that we are in a direct breakout will likely break, will likely become invalidated, and the formal invalidation point is $2,376. So yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.